As of late, I've been hearing a lot of questions asked, how can I have successful Facebook ads? I've heard this from clients, fellow entrepreneurs, and even my own friends. So I did a little research and found out that 62% of business owners say that their Facebook ads are not successful. Wow, I didn't know that that was even the case, right? So I also did a little bit more research and discovered that 2.2 billion active users are on Facebook every day. So why can't business owners see success? All right, so I did a little bit of research and I actually found out some cool things that most business owners do not even understand the basic structure of Facebook, and they're not using the right tools to set them up for success. So today, I'm going to provide you with the basics and effective tools that will help you to run great Facebook ads. All right, guys, we're going to get into it. Well, welcome back. This is another episode of Jay Sharp Business Insights on maximizing your business growth. And let's just get into it. Today, we are talking about Facebook ads and how do you set yourself up for success. And we're going to cover the basics structure of a Facebook ad. And I'm going to provide you with some resources. And we're just going to have a little fun talking about Facebook today. So let's just jump right into it. So I want to start off with the structure. How many of you actually knew Facebook was made up of 3 different components? Probably not a lot of you. And I know you can't hear me because you're not going to actually answer back. But there were 3. There's 3 different type of components. You have the campaign, the ad set, and then the complete ad. So let's just break it down. A campaign is, of course, exactly what it is. It is the creative, the concept. It is everything that will be shown to the end consumer. So that's who you want to see that information, the video, the content, the imagery, anything put together you want for your potential customer to see. That's what your campaign is. And then the next component of that, this is what Facebook has put together. It's called an ad set. And the ad set is pretty much all the data that is collected from Facebook and how do you tap into that data. So they're going to allow you to set your budget within the ad set. They're going to allow you to actually set a location. You then set your audience. And then when you go into the audience, you're going to segment that down to the specific type of customer you're trying to target. Hobby-wise, career-wise, money, income, the whole entire thing that you want to know about your consumer, Facebook has it at your disposal. So the ad set is the most important part of your campaign. It is the most targeted part of your campaign. It is the one that really helps you to understand the key metrics that you need to know about your customer, right? So that's the 2 components. The last one is the ad. Of course, that's just the whole entire ad that makes up the ad. So there it is, the 3 components. If you didn't know, this is now how you should now look at your ads. You should make sure you have a great campaign to start out with that is engaging, that gets attention, that really helps to sell your product. Then you need to have your ad set. You need to make sure it's set completely right to the type of demographic you want to hit. And then you need to make sure that everything is put together and you have now a complete Facebook paid ad. All right. So the next part of this is some resources that's going to help you to bring it home and really make sure that you're able to create content for your campaigns, target the right demographic when you're running your ads, and making sure that you're just ready for success. So the first thing we're going to talk about is going to be Facebook Pixel. Facebook Pixel is very important. This is what's going to help you when you're doing your retargeting marketing campaigns on Facebook, when you really want to know who's actually looking and engaging with your Facebook ads. So the Facebook Pixel is provided by Facebook, hence the name Facebook Pixel. You can go to the Facebook Business Center, look there, and find out information about how it works. And as you see here on the Facebook page, you can see all that information that goes through and talks about how it works. And the Facebook Pixel pretty much works where it takes that information and it gathers all information about different users that have now clicked on an ad and went to your website, and they build a lookalike audience for you to now market to. So that's the power of the Facebook Pixel. If you're not utilizing that, if you don't have that connected to your website, you need to do that. That is going to set you apart and is going to really help you to identify key metrics that is going to help you break down your customer base. So, Facebook Pixel. The next thing you need to look at is Power Ad Spy. So Power Ad Spy was created by affiliates that do affiliate marketing. If you're not familiar with that, I'll provide some information down there in the content as well in my description. So also in the description, you will find about Facebook Pixel, and you can actually click over here in the top right and you'll be able to actually see what ads are being, or you can actually see these different tools that I'm talking about today. So what Power Ad Spy does, it actually is exactly what it is. It helps you to spy on your competitors and see what they're doing on Facebook to have successful ads. So if you really want to really do a competitor analysis on your different industry that you're in, and you're trying to make sure you have the right type of content, ads, and you want to see what they're doing and really get a good idea and create great content, I say go look at thepoweradspy.com and sign up for it. Of course, there is a fee. There's different types of fees, but it is a really useful tool. So really take the time and look into that, guys. I think it will help you tremendously. All right, the last thing. Okay, this is one of my favorite tools. It is called, I use it on a lot of different things. I've used it on just creating content for blogging. I've used it on creating content for just on my website. What it is, it's called answerthepublic.com. And answerthepublic.com is an amazing resource. What it does is it allows you to type in a term or a word, like you can say cats. And what it does, it browses through or crawls through information put on Google, but it's only questions that people have asked Google, and there's information around that question. So it takes the word cat, and then it will say something like, what is a cat? What types of cats? And you can click the links within that question formation, and it allows you to now look at articles or blogs or anything out on the web that Google knows about, and you can now look at that and you can see what other people, industries are doing to create great content. So using this tool to actually start creating and curating your content will just set you light years ahead. So think about that. That is a great tool. I've used it on so many different projects, on clients' projects, on my own personal projects, and I've used it on plenty of my Facebook campaigns. So it's great. It's called answerthepublic.com. Check it out. Tell me what you think about it. I also have that in the description, and it's right here up in the, in the right hand. And so let me know what you guys think about that. And those are my tools. Those are the tidbits that I have for you today. So guys, take this information, really look at the structure of your ads and make sure you're understanding your demographic and you're setting the right ad sets. And also make sure you are having the right resources you need. Look into the Facebook Pixel, make sure it's set up on your website properly. And please provide me with questions. If you have any more questions or anything you want me to talk about, let me know. Put it in the comments. I'm happy to share more, and I want to provide you with the best insights for your business so you can maximize your business growth. That is what I like to do. So guys, this has been fun. I hope this was useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and I'll see you next time. Until next time, guys, go out, maximize your growth, and peace and love.